Okay, I'd like to first and foremost appreciate the management and staff of RASA Informatics for the wonderful job they are doing. I just completed an NGS training, NGS Data Analysis training, and I really enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed the sessions with the trainers. I enjoyed the fact that it was broken down into three major components. The instructors had very good knowledge of each of the subject matter. I love the patience instructors had with me, especially because I asked a lot of questions and they always had the time to respond. I just enjoyed every bit of the experience at RASA. I think it's a one-stop shop to NGS Data Analysis. For those who are interested, I strongly recommend they jump on the train, RASA train, and get the best of training. So that is my strong recommendation for people. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.